In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional logo presentation using the Presentations tool in Akrivi Studio. Let's get started. First, open the Designer tab. Here you can add your own branding, whether you're a freelancer, studio, or agency. Start by uploading your logo, then enter your name and email address. Next, choose your header, subheader, and body fonts, followed by your brand color. These details will automatically be applied to relevant pages in your presentation. Next, open the Concepts tab. Start by entering your client's brand name. Now add your first logo concept by uploading the logo, selecting the fonts, and adding the brand colors. If you like to present multiple concepts, simply click Add Concept. You can generate presentations for up to 3 logo concepts. Now open the Templates tab. Choose the presentation template you'd like to use. The selected template will be highlighted with a blue outline. Once you're happy, click Generate. You can remove pages you don't need in your presentation. After the presentation has been generated, open the Pages tab. Simply select the pages you like to remove and click Delete Selected Pages. Keep in mind, pages such as recap cover, comparisons, and thank you only appear once, so deleting them removes just that page. Pages labeled All Concepts, such as Logo Equation page, are generated for every logo concept. Deleting this removes it from every concept in the presentation. You can also make changes to each concept by going back to the Concepts tabs and replacing logo, fonts, or colors. It's recommended to upload the new logos from a separate file. After doing this, go back to the Illustrator file with your presentation and click Apply Changes. This updates the generated presentation while keeping your page numbers in sync. If you previously deleted pages, you may notice some unused artwork. This isn't shown in the presentation artboards and won't appear when exporting your presentations. You can manually delete this artwork before showcasing the final presentation.